That's a lot of seasoning, my boy. Bro, chill out. Bro, you gotta keep it to the if you ain't sneezing, it ain't enough season. You know what I'm saying? Bro, I know your ass had to go, achoo, achoo, nigga, achoo. Boy, I would have been, achoo, nigga, fuck around with y'all, boy. Nah, bro. Well, bro, like you trying to set my diabetes up, huh? My shit gonna shot right up in the sky, fuck you saying, boy. I'm already obese as it is. Like, come on, bro. You gotta help me out, gang. Come on, man. Damn, bro. Chill out.